Yeah. Live waiting on Chocolate and Vanilla to come in. Table well set. Table well set. Yeah, music a bounce. Chef Cliff over there doing thing. Yeah, man. See how the floor look there? Yeah, Kangle line off. Them little love notes. You see me? So we are it. Ready for them. What's the chef?
Yeah, man. Ready.
Ready? Yeah, man. Yes, boss.
Ready.
Big up yourself, Nash Blow. Nash boy. Yeah, man, we do a little thing for the queen them. You see me, I say? We cook up a little food and, you know, a little dessert, a little 3-course meal for the queen them. You see me? We just wait for them arrival right now.
I imagine when they come in.
I saw the thing set. Yeah, man. They're supposed to pull up any moment now.
Yeah, man. Job well done, man.
See?
Think so.
For real, man.
So what I say? We're going good. We're going good. That's all.
You love the thing, Nashville.
Thing up. That's all. Real, man.
Real, man.
Up.
Yeah, man. See what I say? See the nice little table we set up for them. Food done, cook and ready run, so. You see me? Let's have wait upon the arrival. Bless up yourself. Real.
Up like 7.
Chef thing. I saw it.
Big bossy, man.
Yeah, man, look there. I feel like a set in that.
Yeah, man. Real chef there. Yeah. Check out the chef. Check out the chef.
Chef. Clean.
Check out the chef.
Nice and clean.
Clean.
I saw it.
Clean.
Well starched.
Clean. Clean.
Real.
Real, man. We just are going to wait now. Yeah.
Food are go good, man. Come at me here, them. Come at me here, them. Yeah.
So I'm going now.
Peep and save us, man. See them? They come. They might come. So, they're out the door. Yeah, man. So then someone pop the door and come in and big surprise for them. Big surprise. Right. Camera. Oh. What do you think?
Yep.
That's what we do.
That's how we do it.
That's what we do. So, ladies, here's what you gotta do. There's little love notes. They both have your name on it. Both of them there's two, one for each. So look for one that says chocolate, and you look for one that says vanilla, and you can just take it up and read it. You know. And don't take a little love note too canny, you know.
That's a vanilla.
Hey.
And this chocolate. So let's see. Mr. Radio?
Yeah?
Read it out loud.
Read it out loud.
What are you doing
You don't left it.
before?
We left you left it out with eye jacket.
Oh my
Hey.
God. Why, no, sir? You sure I want to read it?
Yeah, man, read it, man.
Fall in the ocean, fall in the sea, but the greatest fall is when you fall in love with me.
Aww, that's so sweet.
That's me.
Birds of a feather flock together, stamp on letters, stick together, but you and me, baby, were meant forever.
You heard? Real talk. Real talk thing.
Okay, come along, ladies.
Huh?
Come along.
It's a me? Okay. Go on. Go on.
Kisses from England, kisses from Spain. I love you till I can't explain.
Yeah,
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, if I love that.
England,
Ow.
kisses from Spain.
I love you till I can't explain.
Oh, if I love that, you know.
Apples grow in America. Peaches grow there too. But it takes a place like Jamaica to produce a queen like you.
Good.
Yep.
Only Jamaica.
Come along.
Only Jamaica.
Okay. That's yours.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
Yeah,
You want to see that?
Who the hell did that?
No way. No way.
Who did that?
No way.
job?
Yo, you think we ask somebody to come do it? No, we do it.
That is
That is all us. That is all us.
Oh my
Mm.
God. So all the time you were taking notes
Uh-huh.
when I decorate.
Look, man, I learned from the best, you know.
Oh my God. Let's
Remember how good you are.
My pen
Yeah.
is broken, my ink is dry, but my love for you will never die.
Oh,
Yeah.
From back in the days. From back in the days.
Apple to apple, plum to plum. What is a kiss without your tongue?
Mm. Yep. That's for sure.
Okay.
You are the ackee in my saltfish. You are the condensed milk in my tea. Without you, there is no me.
Yep. You heard? You heard?
Roses are red, violets are blue. Sugar is sweet, but not as sweet as you.
There's no sugar that's sweet like chocolate. No sugar is sweeter than my chocolate. Yeah, that's some old school note telephone, you know. You know them these young kids these days, they don't use them type of verse no more at all, them type of lyrics thing. You know, yeah. A relics. Yeah, man.
Alright, so what we want to know?
What?
We'll have you ladies seated,
Okay.
and then we're gonna serve you.
Oh,
We got a 3-course meal for you guys.
no.
For you ladies. Well, we're not gonna say. You'll see. It's a surprise.
Yeah, it's a surprise.
All right, well.
It's a surprise.
I'm ready because I'm starving.
All right.
Yeah, I'm starving. Marvin. Where are you? You're on my live?
Uh-huh.
You take the phone and go live. Oh, this is beautiful.
There you go, my lady.
Thank you.
Have a seat.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I'm keeping my love notes. Oh my God, I'm keeping my love notes.
I'm keeping mine too.
That was great, huh? Bye. I see you guys with the food.
Oh my God. Crazy. I can't wait to see the food, people.
I wonder what we're gonna get.
I wonder what we're going to get. Oh, man, I'm not going to catch a phone pan. Bear with me. Oh, wow. Let's see. I wonder what they cook. Jesus.
Oh my God.
I wonder. I'm excited. They set up a table nice, Bren.
They did a
They
good
do
job.
a good job. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Then take some notations when you decorate.
I know, I can't wait to see. It wouldn't cook. I smell onion.
Yeah.
That's all I smell, onion. I wanna cook. Hurry up,
Can
me
you tell us where
hungry.
you cook?
Yeah, me hungry, me a starve. Me I show people them where you cook because I know Mike good at cooking curry chicken.
Curry chicken, oxtail.
Yeah, I'm good at cooking oxtail. I'm good at cooking fried chicken.
Fried chicken, yeah.
Me can't tell how they cook.
In like for cook.
It a stink of onion, that's how me smell. I peel onion and no cook.
2 chicken.
Hurry up, let me
2
see.
chicken.
Yeah. No, sir.
What we gonna get?
Me no know. Put the phone behind me. No, it have to stay here, so cause when I'm not for really catch your phone. Oh my God, me I go show them. They set up them see table they set it up. Fat, no sir.
Did you guys see the table? It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Come let me show you.
Yeah, but we see it. Show me table. Yeah. Yeah, you see table. Table nice.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, them set it up real nice. Me can't wait for see what them cook though.
Sorry.
Me hungry.
I'm hungry too.
Yeah.
Man, I am starving.
Yeah, me hungry. Hurry up! When I done cook.
Yeah, man, we're done, man.
So. All right.
Ladies,
Yes.
may I interest you in some appetizer?
Appetizer.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
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 All right.
May I have these, please?
Oh, sure.
Sure.
Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Locks. Then go
right
No, sir. No, sir.
Well done.
Locks.
I wonder what the appetizer is.
When I wonder, me hungry. Bring it come.
Just hope it tastes good.
When I show up, uno. When I hide nothing
Oh
from
my
uno.
God.
We're not hiding a thing from uno.
No.
We are sure uno.
Everything.
If it not taste good,
We're gonna make it no.
we're gonna make a little face. If it not taste good, yeah. With an instant smile.
They tried.
It's nice though.
They did a beautiful job.
Then they know me think say I just cook them probably don't cook me need to expect all this
All
decorating.
this decorating and love notes.
I love notes. Box that.
You see that love notes?
You see them? A long time from back in the days sitting that me used to put them in a letter. Send come a foreign. No, me used to put them in a letter send go Jamaica. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get that back.
Hello, we're hungry.
Where's the food?
Who's watching us?
all
Who's
day.
watching? Who's
Right.
that? Yes, no.
Uh-oh.
It's
Appetizer.
here.
Waiter's here.
What? Okay.
There you go, my dear.
Thank you.
This is some
Here you go.
Thank
Do you have
you.
a spoon already, ma'am?
Yes, I do,
Okay.
sir.
Well,
Thank
alright.
you.
Thank
So what you have here
Mm-hmm.
is some authentic
Mm-hmm.
Jamaican cock and people don't be smart, you know. We got some cock and pumpkin noodle.
What?
Cock and pumpkin
Cock
noodle.
and pumpkin noodle.
Cock and pumpkin. Cock and pumpkin noodle.
Chocolate. Chocolate.
Yeah, try to say it.
Behave yourself.
I am behaving myself.
You have some cock soup.
Some
Cock
cock
soup
and okay, so
Okay,
and
so-
some pumpkin soup. Mixed together.
Or noodle soup.
Enjoy.
You have some noodle soup.
all right, so me have to show people
Enjoy.
them
Have
in
bon
my plate.
appetit.
Oh, in my plate still. Hold on there, people. Me gonna show now what soup look like. Wait there. Let me turn it around. See it there? Soup. Let me see. Yeah. It's just broth, it looks like.
Yes.
It's just
Broth.
broth.
Noodles in
Yeah, just
Enjoy.
just
the
broth. And I like
Okay.
and I like soup like let me
And I no
in a
dumpling yam.
nothing in there. In nothing in there. Just noodle and water.
It tastes good.
It tastes good.
It tastes good. Huh?
Yes, that would be nice.
Yeah. It tastes good. But I'm ready for the real food.
Ready for the real food.
Mm-hmm. I'm ready for the real food. I don't want this.
Ready for the main course.
We're ready for your main course. A curry goat, or a oxtail, or a red snapper.
chicken.
Yeah, or a red snapper fish. Ooh, lox. Nice.
Mm-mm.
If this world were mine. Okay, we're ready for your main course.
Hungry.
This was
Yeah,
delicious.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Finished?
Yeah, very nice.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Can I have it, ma'am? I'll take it.
And I'll take it.
Okay.
For the main course.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, we want real food.
Real
Real food.
oxtail,
Rice and
fried
peas.
chicken.
Yes. I only
Curry
hope
goat.
that curry goat. Up here, onion, me smell some coming
Curry
in.
chicken.
Blender. Blender round there, go on.
Oh, on.
Blend.
Blender.
Blender.
I wonder what I'm a blend up.
It's too late for them to blend up coconut, though. That means the rice and peas not cooked yet? No, sir.
Oh my gosh.
We ban Frank around the kitchen so we can't tell you what going on around there.
No. That's why we have to sit down here.
We have to stay right here. Hi, beautiful people. Marlene, what's up?
Nash boy.
Hi, Marlene. Nash boy, Blue, what's
Who else is on
good?
here?
Oh, be patient, guys. We're being patient.
They kept us out of the house all day.
Yes, you not think we're starved and keep us at the
Hungry.
house all day. Brenda didn't feed me over here.
Then tell we said we can't eat. How much
Then
to
tell,
feed you?
then tell us that we can't eat. So, Brenda not give me nothing over there, not even a glass of water.
I didn't make it sound like me mean so.
Me just a say. Me tell us
You
me
know,
share
where
everything.
you know where the refrigerator is?
Me I tell them everything. Me not
She
hide
knows
nothing.
where the fridge is. She knows how to pour water. She could get a
You
bottle
could
of water.
offer me some
I don't
water.
have to offer you. You don't offer me when I come here. I just take.
That's the difference. Cause
You tell me, say you're not serve me nothing. When I come over here.
Right.
Same thing when you come to my house. I'm not serve you nothing. You have to take
Why
it where
take
you
them
want.
so long? I'm hungry. You think me craving?
No, because I'm hungry too.
Oh, but if me craving it, I tell her?
Yeah.
Oh.
Shania.
Hi, beautiful. How you doing, Queen?
Oh, gosh.
Me I go get Marga by the time they come with it. I swear to you, me I go get Marga. When I not see me, I'm not gonna believe.
Man. Main course I take a long for come.
I swear to them. Them have fancy glasses on the table. I wonder what we're gonna get for drink. I wonder what it's for. One liquor, what is for empty. I must say for dessert. Then they have one shot glass. So it look like we're gonna take shot.
Oh, what the heck I'm have planned for you?
Thank you, Marlene.
Here we go.
Thank you, Marlene.
What is this?
Water.
Water? Oh.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Water upon hungry belly. Water upon hungry belly. Alright, man, I want to saw now. Oh, these are little.
Hey, Elaine.
Hi, Elaine.
They're saving the best for last. Man, it's going to take forever.
Yes.
We're starved.
Remember, so when I eat,
Then tell us that we can't eat. We left a long time ago.
We eat like around 12 noontime, one patty.
Yeah.
That wear out our man. You know,
Long
it's a patty,
time.
you know.
Water
hungry. No
Green.
green. True. Oh, these are little lips. You guys can't see them. These are little lips. And they left on the table.
Oh, and hearts.
Yeah, and hearts. Oh, these are so cute.
Oh, look. It's a diamond. It's a diamond.
It's crystal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diamond.
It's cute. And when they go
went
get all of
all
them sitting
out.
there. And when they go. I must sit there when they left this morning. Then go get all them sitting there.
Oh, gosh.
There's this heartaches and pain. I don't know if I
Doesn't
can.
she have a beautiful voice?
You always say that every time I sing.
Yeah.
You can't allow me to just sing.
No.
Chain.
Mega full of power.
Ooh, we food a come. Yes, people.
Oh, what we are go get?
I wet.
What is?
No, sir. We're not happy to this. We're not happy to this. No, sir. We have to show people them this. No, sir.
Why's the chef coming in?
Yeah.
No, sir. Put it down. We show them. We can't wait for show them what we get.
Okay.
No, sir. Tin mackerel and dumpling. Corned beef and dumpling. Bully beef and
Hello.
dirty girl and dumpling.
It's not just any dumpling.
It's not
Cartwheel dumpling.
cartwheel
No,
dumpling.
sir. Excuse us.
It's cartwheel dumpling.
So there you go. You have your snapper. And you
That's
have
on a snapper.
and you have your steak.
And then a snapper. Sorry, guys.
T-bone steak, but we deboned it.
Alright.
Oh,
Dirty, Dirty Girl and Gilbert.
Tin mackerel. Look at plate pretty.
Dirty girl
Tin
and
mackerel.
Gilbert. Bon appetit.
And dumpling. Look at the dumpling, how them big.
You guys are most welcome.
Dumpling. Tin mackerel. And but me can't wait for jumping night.
Look at the
Enjoy.
corned beef.
Thank you. Where pepper sauce?
Coming up.
Bring your pepper sauce, come.
Oh, gosh.
Man, all me want to know, say.
There's some big dumpling.
No, you really see dumpling? Look there.
Huge.
Look at this. No, sir.
No, sir.
Dumpling. A dumpling and tin mackerel. Dirty girl. Me love tin mackerel. Remember me tell you that.
My God said me never get no fish because I wouldn't eat it.
You know
My
what?
friend
you
knows
like?
that.
Here you go.
Mm-hmm.
Pepper sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Enjoying the meal?
It's nice, man.
Yes. You
Mm-hmm.
did a good job.
Mm-hmm.
It's made with a lot of love.
Oh.
I can see it because the way you set up the plate and everything.
So bossy.
So bossy. I mean, you couldn't put ton caramel on it, that was the same way.
That's
Remember me tell you that. Mm-hmm. Look on the mackerel. Nice and red.
good. Yeah, enjoy.
Mm-mm.
It's not over, is it?
You know what? 1.5 left.
We have the dessert.
Dessert. So what we drink with it if we no want to drink?
The drink coming up, man.
Come with the juice, come here, got choke on that big dumpling. No, but it tastes good. It tastes good.
Did it good.
It did really good. Trust me. I love it. A nice food, man. Trust me. Yeah. And then he put all the green pepper on top.
And carrots.
Then garnish it with the pepper. Trust me. This nice, man.
They set up the plate.
Marlene, you want a piece of my dumpling? You talk about huge dumpling? Uh-huh. But now I manage both of them.
Me either.
Maybe 1.5, but
And all this
it's
corned
true
beef
business.
either.
It's true business. Now, go I'm curious to see what they have for dessert. Because after you eat all of this, what them possibly could have?
Right. I don't want to know.
When them a big old dumpling sit down in your belly. Man, me hear them round there laugh, so I must be funny.
How's your food?
It is good, me enjoy the hell out of it. You know what? I love this because we eat meat all the time, so this is good. Right? Something different.
Something different.
Take me back to Jamaica. May I tell you? Take me right back to Jamaica. Cause I didn't sit there and want when I come to Jamaica, you know. They want to feed me rich people food. $800 a pound oxtail.
I love oxtail though. I'm not turning that down.
I know say I favorite thing, oxtail.
Oxtail and rice and peas.
This is so nice though.
They did. They
So
went
awesome.
all out.
Oh my God,
They
this
really
nice.
did. They went all out.
This is beautiful. Beautiful. We should have done here for capture when them a cook, huh? That would have been fun. Yeah.
I would have liked to have seen it.
Yeah. Come and know it to them. Must act a fool, not that kitchen, right?
Because they don't have no sense already.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Man, it tastes good. They did a good job. I have to hand it to them.
Oh, you figure around with some dumplings.
Nice presentation.
Brenda,
Huh?
presentation turn up.
Yeah. What do you say?
Oh, you figure around with tin mackerel and dumpling.
I don't know because I don't eat fish. So that's where you go wrong for me. It's all right. I'll take the corned beef.
Are you ladies ready for the drinks?
We are ready
Yes.
for drinks. What do you have?
Okay, it's a surprise. We'll see.
Surprise.
Yeah.
Drinks are surprise. I can't wait.
What kind of drinks are there's a surprise?
They must make it from scratch like some fruit juice. You know? Blend it up. And that's why I blend it and go.
Maybe that's why.
Yeah, maybe some fruit juice like some strawberry and
With mango
and stuff like that. Yeah. That would go good with this.
Mm-hmm.
No, Jesus Christ! Oh my God!
What the heck?
I'm gonna show people them this. Hold on there. No! This can't be real.
What do you have
But,
there?
but
It's a nice,
what the hell that?
nice, authentic sky juice.
Sky juice.
Yeah.
It's all the old school people are showing
Straight
this to
out
back
of
in the
Jamaica.
day. Hey,
Oh my God.
Sky juice.
this one comes straight from the juice man.
Me about to say
Yeah.
that.
Share rice and everything.
Sky
There
juice.
you go.
Thank you.
Sky juice.
So I forgot to hold this one time and eat.
That is the purpose of these glass.
It tastes good though.
When your hand is tired, you just put the juice
Yeah,
in.
man, when you're tired, you just rest it in the glass then.
This tastes good, man.
Sky.
Cheers, guys. Mm-mm. Damn, I know what that drink is.
Enjoy.
Good.
Enjoy.
Oh no, I forgot to start make this in the more.
More often.
This tastes good, man.
Mm.
You remind me of suck too.
The strawberry pineapple flavor.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, it remind me of suck.
Man.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Right. Is that how's the food? How's the food?
Food is
It's
delicious.
good. It's okay?
Delicious, yes.
Okay.
When I think
Surprise.
we can manage it.
Yes, Marlene, I'm surprised
That's
that.
okay. Just
Oh
you know.
my God. It's
Enjoy.
sky
Real
juice.
Jamaican style.
Enjoy the cartwheel.
Yeah.
Yes, sky juice. You know from when me not have one of this? From your picnic. It tastes so good, whatever the flavor it is. You never have suck.
Mm-mm.
This will definitely remind me of suck. Real Jamaican style, Elaine. Trust me. Tin mackerel. Oh. This is like one of my favorite, guys. Trust me.
Oh my gosh, you guys went all out.
Yeah. This is better than going out. Trust me. I love it.
We couldn't ask for anything better.
Oh, this is fabulous. You get addicted to that now,
Right.
right? Don't deny it.
Yo, I'm gonna have to buy more of that. Don't my thoughts have to make it more.
Never love this, man. Trust me.
Imagine that during the summer when it's hot.
Yep.
Man, they can't get away from that. They can't say they don't know how to make it.
Oh my God. All I want is forever. Am I asking too much? I know it's bad to talk with food in your mouth. But we have to talk to you guys and we have to sing.
Yardie style.
Yeah. We alone and we're not a man at the table.
Look, it fits in the cup for two.
Me a yard girl, me can hold this and eat. Remember. If you want, you can put in your glass.
Cup of nice.
But me a yard. Got this pan lock. You used to drink this with a nice patty. Trust me, when I used to go to school, and then you go out to school gate, and then shear off the ice and drop in a bag with some syrup and drop a straw in there, and you have a nice patty. Remember, tell the world. Yeah? Yard style. Yes, Marlene, yard style. Nothing like the simple things. Yeah. The simple things are so beautiful. Mm-hmm. Especially when it's coming from the heart.
They went all out. They did.
All out. They kept walking by looking at us, eating. Make sure we're eating. Oh my God. This is beautiful. Beautiful. At first I went up on life so long, huh? I know.
Man, I'm gonna have to stop eating because I'm not gonna have any room for dessert. Dumpling heavy.
Me tell you something, I could have got 1.5 dumpling. That never happen. If they want me to eat dessert. Mm-mm. This is so nice, guys. And I'm so glad you guys decided to join us.
Come join us, yeah.
Is everything okay?
It's beautiful.
Yes, thank you very much.
I love this. You know, no more.
We'll have to make some more, but
No, not tonight, but I mean, I want some more again.
Okay. May I take this?
Yeah, let's make this one tomorrow for my son, with my Sunday dinner.
Okay.
Man.
Delicious. If you're just joining us, we had tin mackerel.
Special song for the lovely ladies. This one is for chocolate and vanilla.
This is why I love you.
Okay, ladies?
Yes. Everything good. I'm finished now. Yeah, I can't do too.
You ready for some dessert?
Yeah.
Okay.
No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
No problem.
So we have the dessert coming up shortly.
Okay.
Take
Yeah,
How
when it
many
comes to the-
dumplings? 2. We each got 2 dumplings. They were
Two dumplings. We
huge.
could have finished the dumpling.
They were huge.
I did one. That's how big they were.
They were too much.
But I love my sky juice.
Yeah, good.
Get chocolate. Oh, I didn't. I told her too.
No, let's do it. No. I get no.
That's why I love you.
Your heart.
That was nice. That was delicious. That was good.
Oh,
I can't wait to see the dessert.
right.
The dessert. Although I'm stuffed, but I want to see what it is. Yeah. I know we're not going to use that, so.
Man.
Oh, that's good. That was good. That was good. Wanting mackerel when I come to Jamaica and sky juice. No, what I want?
And dumpling.
I want rundown when I go down there. Rundown. Rundown. I'm going to want to season up tonka meal. You never eat tonka meal?
Mm-mm.
If they ever make you season up with coconut milk and something.
Ladies,
Trust me.
dessert is here.
What? Oh wow! What is this? What is this? What is this? I have to show my people what this is. What is this? Let's see. Let's see. Oh, that's on me, not on me.
Okay.
Whoa.
So here's what we have for dessert. We have some Jamaican rum and raisin
Rum and raisin ice cream.
Uh-huh.
What is
And here we have Jamaican gizzarda.
gizzarda? Uh-huh.
So if everybody doesn't know, it's like a flour crust with some coconut, some blended coconut and sugar.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have a cherry.
Mm-hmm.
And here we have authentic Jamaican tambourine ball.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah, tambourine ball.
Tambourine ball.
You ever have tambourine ball, Brenda? You're about to try tambourine ball.
Tambourine mixed with sugar.
Yeah,
and just
tambourine
roll it up.
ball.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
So this is
good.
for people who have a
Mm.
sweet tooth, you know?
Yeah. Oh, yes, man. I'm excited about this now.
So rum and raisin ice cream.
And
Rum,
raisin
oh,
ice
that's
cream.
my
Best ice
favorite.
cream.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Enjoy.
Too.
Yeah.
Cherry.
Spoons for you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, baby.
Cherry.
Yeah, that's what they call it. They got Jamaica cherry.
Yep.
To eat. Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Tambourine ball. It's sour.
Sour?
Ah.
That's why you have a gizzarda.
Woo. Boy. It told me I run water. I need ice cream for sweeten it up. Yes. This is beautiful. This is so nice. You guys are so amazing.
That's what we do.
Amazing.
They really went all out.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, Marley and Asawa.
I must see foreign one then. I remember it's a sour. It always been sour.
Ice cream tastes nice.
The ice cream is the bomb. The sour, gizzarda. Remember this. What's the name and by name? I want ice cream. Yeah, Marlene. You love rum and raisin to Marlene.
Marshall.
Oh, Marshall.
Yeah.
We'll
share.
Oh, it's Marsha. What's up, Marsha? What's up? How's the pretty baby? Marsha says she want ice cream. Oh, she love rum and raisin. Mm-hmm. Marsha, you're not afraid you get drunk. Hey, Marsha, you're afraid you get drunk. She's here climbing everything. Aww. Oh, I miss her. I haven't seen her in a while. Such a cutie. Marsha said no. She's not afraid to get drunk.
Man.
I miss you guys.
Man,
It's tough.
me too. They're forced to eat so they don't
full.
feel bad.
I'm so full.
I don't want them to feel bad, but
Well, they're not feel bad because
I
when
don't
we're
know how
full, we're
much more I
full.
can eat.
We're gonna feel bad because you're full. Where that come from?
I say, I feel
This is
bad.
Greta Kip. Oh, she's like, I miss you too. Oh.
Is everything okay?
Everything's delicious.
Oh my gosh.
Mm.
My boss.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank
Beautiful.
you.
Aww.
She said we miss you too.
Miss them. Say hi to Aiden for us. And give kisses to the baby for us. Wish you were here. I would give you my rum and raisin ice cream. You know that too. Right?
We would share.
Guys, we still have a lot. I can't do anymore. I'm full. I'm so stuffed. It was beautiful. So beautiful. But I can't put on the ice cream. And I need to. Oh, wow.
She said kiss a guan. She said kiss a guan.
What she said?
Marlene said kiss a guan when you go kiss Michael.
Everything's great?
Everything's delicious.
I can see.
Yeah, I
Well,
couldn't manage all the
manage
different.
it.
It's a lot.
Well,
Mhm.
it's okay.
It was. It's beautiful.
I just want to make sure your legs are okay.
I want to say thank you.
Hey,
Man,
no
That
problem.
was beautiful.
Yeah.
I wish we
No
could do
problem.
more, but, you know.
Most welcome.
You did enough. You
You
did
enjoy.
enough.
Okay.
Enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank
You
you.
go above and beyond for you ladies all the time, you know that.
Yes, we do. We do.
Mm-hmm.
We do. It's nothing new. So, but we wanna say thank
So,
you.
everybody, your sister, we can cook.
Yeah. Doing everything properly.
Tell them thank you.
Uh-huh. So, guess what?
What?
To wrap it up, you guys have to take a shot with us.
Oh yes. A shot. Go for it.
The grand
Real
finale.
quick. The grand
Yeah.
finale. It's
One
a shot. All
One
right, let's
burger
do
man.
it. Let's
One
do
beer.
it.
Two.
Choo-doo. One shot. One bourbon. One beer. Choo-choo-doo. Let's do
Shots
it.
coming up, ladies.
Oh my gosh.
Only you can stop the rain.
All right.
Ready.
There's a glass.
I already had. Oh, this is yours.
Yes.
Okay. Lime. Lime.
Salt.
Salt. You got a salt? Okay.
Woo.
Got too much of that.
Too much salt, ladies.
I know a lot of salt come out from my hand. Never expect
All right.
some more.
Mm.
Too much. This is fine. This is good. Shot licks. Okay. So it's shot.
Where's the salt?
It's shot, lick,
Suck.
suck. Take your mind out the gutter. Take your minds out the gutter. It's shot, lick, and then suck.
I'm sorry.
So ready?
Come on, listen.
Ready. Una ready? Ready.
Okay, here we go.
Are they ready?
Ready? Oh, that camera's on?
Uh-huh. So shot.
What about get set? Go.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yes.
Woo! Ah!
Woo! Mm-hmm.
Man. I love you.
That was good.
Love you.
Man,
Thank
think
you.
they're trying to get us drunk.
Come on, buddy, the bullshit business.
That was good.
All right, you gotta say thank you to your husband.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank
See?
you
We
guys.
did it. We promised you a fantastic meal for these two beautiful ladies, and we delivered.
Yes, they did.
Yes,
We
they
delivered.
And we enjoyed
Every minute of it. Yeah,
But-
we did.
Yep.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget
you for
to
watching.
share and make sure
We
if you
did
don't
it.
follow, you follow
Yes.
us.
Don't
Tell
forget
friends
to
about
tell
us.
everybody about
It's
us.
just my.
That's right.
We did it.
Cheers to you
That's
guys.
what we do.
Cheers.
That's what we do.
Bye. Good night.
That's what we do every day.
Every day.